Most people who try to learn coding quit within the first 3 months, not because it was too hard, but because they believed the wrong thing about themselves. And that one false belief has cost more people their dream career than any difficult algorithm ever could. This is the biggest lie in tech, that coding is for a certain type of person. That if you weren't top of your class in math, if you didn't grow up building computers, if you can't solve algorithms in your sleep, then this industry isn't for you. And most people believe it. They open a coding tutorial, hit their first error, and think, see, I knew it wasn't for me. They quit before they ever really begin. But here's what nobody tells you. The developers you look up to weren't born writing code. They just didn't stop. In this video, we are going to break down what actually separates developers who make it from those who don't. And I promise you, it is not intelligence. It starts with a simple truth. Coding is not a talent. It is a skill. And every skill ever built by a human being was built the same way, through repetition, failure, and time. Nobody was born knowing how to drive. Nobody picked up a guitar and played perfectly on day one. Coding is no different. The developers who make it are not the smartest ones in the room. They are the ones who stayed in the room the longest. Now here's where most beginners go wrong. They try to memorize everything. Syntax, functions, methods. They treat coding like an exam to pass instead of a problem to solve. But professional developers don't memorize. They Google. They read documentation. They search Stack Overflow 10 times a day. And honestly, with the rise of AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and GitHub Copilot, it has never been easier to get unstuck fast. You can describe your problem in plain English and get a working solution in seconds. The skill is not knowing everything. It is knowing how to find anything. And right now, the tools for finding anything have never been more powerful. The second thing that separates those who make it is debugging mentality. Every beginner sees an error and feels like they failed. Every experienced developer sees an error and thinks, interesting, let's figure this out. Because coding is essentially just solving one error after another, forever. And again, AI makes even this easier. Paste your error into an AI tool, and it will explain exactly what went wrong and why. What used to take hours of searching now takes minutes. But you still need the patience to understand the answer, not just copy it. The third thing is consistency over intensity. 2 hours every day beats 10 hours every weekend. Your brain needs repetition spread over time to actually retain what you're learning. Not cramming, not bootcamp sprints. Just showing up, regularly, over months. Most people who stick with coding for 1 full year reach a level where they can build real things. Not perfect things, but real, working, impressive things. 1 year, that's the actual price of entry. Not genius, not a computer science degree, not the right laptop or the perfect course. Just 1 year of not quitting. The average student who shows up every day will always outperform the gifted student who shows up when they feel like it. Coding was never about intelligence. It was always about patience, curiosity, and the willingness to sit with a problem until it breaks. Those are not things you are born with. Those are things you build. So I want to ask you, what was the one thing that almost made you give up on coding? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to see more videos like this. See you in the next one.